Hello aspirants, welcome to India for IAS Current Affairs series. This is Manjunath Mudul. Topic of this video is Ratle Hydroelectric Project. This topic is prelims exclusive topic. This is entirely prelims exclusive topic. So there will not be any questions in the mains. And this topic, the questions on this topic can also be reflect in KPSC and also SSC and other Group C exams or banking exams. In this video, we are going to discuss why Ratle Hydroelectric Project it was in news and its features and its significance of this project. So these are the topic details that we are going to study. Recently, Ratle Hydroelectric Project it was in news because the Jammu and Kashmir police they come up with the information that the workers at the Ratle Hydroelectric Project in Kishtwar region they have alleged criminal or militant links. So this project it is being constructed by Mega Engineers India Limited, Mega Engineers and Infrastructure Limited. So coming to Ratle Hydroelectric Project, it is run of the river hydroelectric power plant. So in run of the river hydroelectric power project, there is a minimal diversion of water. Minimal diversion of water. So whereas in the other hydroelectric power projects, there is a construction of large dams. But in case of run of the river hydroelectric project, so there is no construction of large dams. So this is a sustainable hydroelectric power system because it diverts minimal portion of the river's natural flow and it runs the turbine and generates the electricity. Whereas the other hydroelectric power projects, there is a construction of large dams and also storage of water. After that, this stored water it is released continuously and turbine is made to run and electricity is generated. Whereas in the run of the river hydroelectric project, so it is eco-friendly and also it generates power and there is a minimal diversion of the water and there is no construction of large dams. This is Ratle hydroelectric project. Here we can see, so this is the river. So on the river they have constructed a small dam to generate electricity. So here there is no storage of large scale of water for generation of electricity. So its capacity is 850 megawatt. So this Ratle hydroelectric power project, so it is constructed on the river Chenab. So it's located in Kishtwar district in Jammu and Kashmir and the annual estimated power generation is 3137 gigawatt. So we came to know that Ratle hydroelectric project it is constructed on Chenab River, right? So Ratle hydroelectric power project it was in news, and Chenab River is also in news. Now we will briefly look into the Indus River system because Chenab River it is one of the tributary of the Indus River system, right? So because in exam, in especially in prelims exam, so they will ask questions on right bank and left bank tributaries of the Indus River, or they will ask to arrange the tributaries of the Indus River from east to west or from west to east, or sometimes they may ask to arrange the tributaries of the Indus River from north to south, right? So coming to the Indus River and its tributaries, so this is the Indus River. So Indus River originates in China, that is Tibet in China. Then it flows like this. This is the Indus River. Then from north we have Jhelum, then Chenab, then we have Ravi, then Beas and Satluj. So this is the arrangement of the tributaries of the Indus River from north to south. So among these rivers, the Satluj joins the Beas joins the Satluj River within India. Then Chenab joins the Ravi River in Pakistan. So then this Ravi River joins the Satluj in Pakistan. Then Satluj River joins the Indus River. Right. Then we have Jhelum River which joins the Chenab River in Pakistan. So this is the Indus River system. So among these five tributaries of the Indus, four of them they originate in India. Only Satluj originates in Tibet. So Bees originates within India, Ravi in India, Chenab in India, and Jhelum in India. Whereas Satluj, it originates in Tibet. And Indus, we know that it also originates in Tibet. So these are the few factual details regarding Indus River system. So coming to the implementing structure of this Ratle Hydroelectric Power. So the implementing agency is Ratle Hydroelectric Power Corporation Limited. So this, it is a joint venture of NHPC, that is National Hydroelectric Power Generation. This NHPC, it holds 51% stake, and the second partner is Jammu and Kashmir State Power Development Corporation. So it holds 49% stake. So the construction, that is EPC contractor, the constructing agency of this Ratle Hydroelectric Power Project is Mega Engineering and Infrastructure Limited. So coming to the international dimension associated with Ratle Hydroelectric Power is, it is the part of Indus Water Treaty. So as we all know that, so the Pakistan, it is repeatedly alleging India that India is violating the provisions of Indus Water Treaty. So Pakistan is complaining to the World Bank that India is violating Indus Water Treaty. So as part of the Indus Water Treaty, so coming to India's position on Indus Water Treaty is, India is saying that Ratle is run of the river project. So it is permissible under the Indus Water Treaty. So what Indus Water Treaty says that, Indus Water Treaty, it says that the eastern three rivers are allocated to India, and the western three rivers, they are allocated to Pakistan. So now I want you to comment the rivers that are allocated to India and the rivers that are allocated to Pakistan, and also the rivers that are allocated to Pakistan. On those rivers, India can construct run of the river projects, and also the design parameters of this Ratle Power Project. They are within the limits as prescribed in the Indus Water Treaty. Now we will look into the significance of the project. So how it is significant for India? First one, energy security. It helps in enhancing clean and renewable energy in India, especially in North India, that is Jammu and Kashmir, and other nearby union territory like Ladakh and states. Then regional development. So it helps in employment generation and also infrastructure growth, especially in Jammu and Kashmir union territory. Then coming to its strategic importance, it strengthens India's utilization rights over western rivers under Indus Water Treaty. So in Indus Water Treaty, three western rivers are allocated to Pakistan. Three western rivers are allocated to Pakistan, and India is allowed to use India can construct run of the river projects without diverting major portion of the water. So this enhances the construction of Ratle Power Project enhances the strategic importance with respect to the provisions of Indus Water Treaty. Then the next significance is climate commitments. It helps in India achieving low carbon energy sources. So these hydroelectric power projects, they are eco-friendly, so they don't release CO2 to the environment. So it helps in India achieving the Paris climate commitments under Paris climate deal. So as a part of Paris climate deal, the Indian Prime Minister announced Panchamrit goals. So what are these Panchamrit goals? So based on these Panchamrit goals, there were questions in both prelims and mains in the previous years. So I want aspirants to comment Panchamrit goals. So, based on the topic that we have discussed so far, that is Ratle Hydroelectric Power Project. So, here we have provided one prelims question. The question contains three statements. Go through all the three statements and comment your answer. The answer and detailed explanation for this question is available in the PDF handout, which you can download by joining our Telegram channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.